got this exciting care package from Starbond. Thank you, Starbond. Oh, cool. All right, epoxy putty and a bunch of colors. All right, that is going to be so handy, and I'm going to test those. Beautiful. Man, awesome. That is really cool. Got some medium brown. Oh, I was just wishing for some of this earlier today. Should have opened this sooner. All right, and some Speed Series 2.5 seconds. That's my main pen finish. Love that. This is super glue remover. Oh man, as often as I glue my fingers together, that'll be handy. And that is the coolest looking bottle ever. All right, beautiful. 5-minute epoxy. I use this stuff on every pen. That is my favorite. 2 cans of accelerator. I go through that so fast. And what have we got here? Oh, sweet. Some medium thick, heavy thin. Oh my goodness. Medium thick white. Oh, I've never tried white before, and some black. Oh, this is fantastic, Starbond. Thank you. I really appreciate it.